Hello, I'm Mohammad Rahman, but you can call me MMR. For a long, I've been walking a path that most people around me cannot see. Day after day, night after night, I've been sitting in front of my computer, learning and practicing. Not only motion graphics and video editing, but also tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, Boris FX, Maxon applications, and Red Giant tools. Alongside creative software, I also pushed myself to learn technical skills for my studies, including Java, Python, and other necessary applications. While many people were building visible careers, I was building something quieter: skills, discipline, and persistence. But the difficult part isn't the learning, the difficult part is the silence. People around me don't really understand what I do. To them, it looks like I'm simply spending endless hours in front of a screen. Sometimes I can see the doubt in their expressions, the feeling that maybe I'm wasting my time, maybe they think I'm failing. But the truth is, every hour I spent learning wasn't meaningless to me. Every project I created, every animation that finally worked after hours of struggle, every simple improvement, those moments meant something. So I made a decision. I will give myself 3 more months. 3 months to push harder than ever. 3 months to improve my craft. 3 months to prove that the time I invested wasn't wasted. One more honest truth. Until now, I haven't kept any record of my learning journey. Most of the time I spent practicing, experimenting, and improving quality. But from today, I want to change that. Over the next 3 months, I will start documenting my journey. Every day I will share something, whether it is a tutorial, a discussion about tools, or something new that I learned. This will be my way of leaving footprints of the time and effort I invested learning motion graphics, video editing, and creative tools. Maybe it will help someone, maybe it will simply become a record of my journey. If things don't go the way I hope, I still want to leave some footprints behind, a record of the time, effort, and patience into this journey. Because trying matters. Thank you.